Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Teppo Kauppinen and today we are unboxing highest DS1000 digital servo. This is really high-end servo, standard size, and it can be used with 6 volts or 7.4 volts. And this is really DS stand for speed, and this is 0.06 seconds with 7.4 volts. What else we have here? Servo is made from aluminum case from top to bottom, and it has high-end look also, even some gold details there. At the box we have mounting hardware. There are bushings and rubber bushings. If you are using it with the edge scale, you should use the rubber bushings to eliminate the flex from the car. And you get also aluminum servo horn from highest, which is really nice. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.